How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass,
I think this is neutral.
I'm still the same. What will it take? Why the wait? Up and down, I'm losing ground. Pretend to tell me what to believe.
Welcome back, and nandito na kami ngayon sa Al Attiyar Sinkhole in Salalah, Oman. So it's just around 20 minutes from Wadi Darbat, and we are here. Okay, dito kami ngayon na sa sinkhole. We just park our car dun sa taas, and this is my kasama here, nagpayong.
Hi.
Be and Jo.
Hi.
Hi. Yes.
Thank you for inviting us
Yes.
to go with you to Salalah.
Salalah. The sinkhole is around 200 meters deep and around 100 meters radius according sa nabasa ko. And take note na pag nagpunta kayo dito, nag-hike, we recommend to use a proper na sapatos kasi napaka-rocky yung terrain, madulas, and may mga section na mas stiff. So, doble ingat talaga. Pero yung mga locals dito or ibang mga tourist, nakasandals lang. But we don't recommend it. And mag-ingat kayo sa trail kasi may mga matatalim yung bato dito. And also yung mga ibang mga puno. So, ang ganda ng view, but we need to take care and think about safety always coming here. Yeah.
That I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know, she.
Ito yung pinaka-view deck ng sinkhole, and ayan, mag-iingat tayo. So doble ingat ka talaga kasi yung rail is medyo luma na, and makikita mo yung pinaka bottom ng sinkhole. And para sa akin, nakakatakot yung nandito ka nakatayo, nakikita mo yung ilalim.
I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try.
So ayan si Sean, talagang parang wala lang, hindi siya natatakot doon. So pwede kang bumaba talaga doon sa pinakababa, may daan, may stairs doon, pero hindi na ako bumaba kasi nakakatakot or natakot na ako at this point. So ang ganda, and ang dami mong, it's my first time na makakita ng sinkhole. So yan yung pinakailalim. Pag during the Kharif season or yung tinatawag nila na tag-ulan dito, so doble ingat tayo pag nagpunta dito kasi masyadong madulas yung mga bato, and pero yung view napaka green, and also may mga waterfalls na makikita dito during the Kharif season. And this place is one of the destination pag nagpunta ka talaga dito sa sa Oman or sa Lala, Oman. I think it's a must na mapuntahan mo to. It's very rare na makakita tayo ng sinkhole, and makikita mo yung formation kung paano na build or paano na nag-form yung mga rocks dito. I'm gonna throw up. So after we explore, we went back sa taas to meet the ladies. So hindi na bumaba sina Bea, Ate Ella, and Jo para magpunta dito kasi we don't recommend for safety na rin. Elevation? After sa Al Attire sinkhole, nagpunta kami directly sa Gravity Hill, and it's around 20 minutes lang din magmula doon. See? So it's neutral.
Baho.
So located siya sa Mirbat. It's a road way back na rin papauwi, and before kami magpunta ng Taka Cliff. So dito kakaiba yung experience din kasi kung makikita nyo naka-neutral yung gear, however hindi siya bumababa papunta doon pa north na direction, but umaatras siya. So imbis na pa-slope at kusang bababa kasi naka-neutral yung gear, ito ay bumabalik or umaatras.
Okay, this is neutral.
So umaatras yung car pa uphill imbis na nagda-downhill yung sasakyan. So first time, lahat ng daming first time dito maka-experience. Then after that, we enjoyed the sunset in Taka Cliff. It's around 27 kilometers from that gravity point. Kaharap yung Taka Cliff sa Arabian Sea. Dito kami sa Taka Cliff. What a sunset over here. That's the Arabian Sea. Ang ganda, guys. Woo! So refreshing. We really enjoy the sunset here in Taka Cliff. And at this time, it's dinner time, and we celebrated the birthday of my wife, si Be.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found.
Sulit. It's worth it. Hi!
It's soon, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Ready for the dinner.
Oh, say hi. Yeah, we ordered 1 avocado, 1 watermelon, 2 saffron. Yeah?
And after dinner, we passed by then sa St. Francis Xavier Church. It's the patron saint dito sa Salalah, Oman. Next day, we are so excited. Nagpunta kami dito sa tinatawag nila na Marnif Cliff and also yung Blue Hole. Ganda, hike kami dito sa taas and ang ganda ng view. Again, it's facing the Arabian Sea. Ang dami lang tao, di ka makapagpa-picture masyado kasi dami nakaabang dito sa Blue Hole na to. Pero ang ganda ma-experience or ang sarap ma-experience tong lugar na to. Kung saan kami nagstay sa Hawana Bay, around 40 minutes from Hawana Bay. Pero papunta pa lang ma-amaze ka na kasi ang daming mga camels. Along the way, yung mga camel dito nasa road lang, hindi nila yung pakalat-kalat lang kung saan. So, pagdating namin ng Marnif Cliff, ang ganda ng view and may enjoy mo talaga yung scenery dito na place. Look at the view! We're here at the top of the Marnif Cave. Hey Sean! Woo! So, kami ni Sean and Ate Ella, umakyat kami dito sa taas ng cliff.
How many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same. What will it take? Why the wait? Up and down, I'm losing ground. Pretend to tell me what to believe. I ain't got a sweet tooth for lying. Spend or show me how to succeed. My wallet is spreading thin. Oh, ooh.
So that is our second day dito sa Salalah, Oman. And hindi kami masyadong nag-ikot on our second day kasi sobrang napagod kami on the first day and need to have some rest and para ma-refresh. Kaya dalawang location lang yung pinuntahan namin but it's really worth it. Refresh and prepare for the third day na gala. And sa third day namin punta kami doon sa may restaurant and na ino-offer nila yung camel meat. And we are excited na ma-experience, matikman yung mga local na food dito sa Salalah, Oman. See you on our next video. Please continue to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago naming uploads. Yan. See you soon!